You would agree with me when I say that having a woman's attention can be a difficult task, especially when you believe you found your soulmate. Every time you see her, you're speechless. It's not just her look that does it to you, it's simply being around her. You're experiencing an electrifying thing you've never felt before. But then how do you keep this woman? Well, we've compiled 4 things that you will do that will make her fall in love with you forever. The first thing is to have your own life. There's nothing sexier than a confident man. When you don't have much going on, you have too much free time to focus on your insecurities. It is important to have lots of things you do together as couples, but you must also have your own life, work, friends, and things you do for fun. You can't lose your individual identity in a relationship. Work hard at your job, spend some alone time with your friends, have personal improvement projects that help you reach your biggest life goals. The point is to be busy enough not to be dependent on always being with your partner for happiness. The second thing you should take note of is to be the best version of yourself. Confidence always comes when you feel good about yourself. Your health is also an important part of the equation. Your goal as a man is to be in shape physically, mentally, and even emotionally. Your goal should be to do the work that helps you become a better man. Wake up every day and exercise. Use that time to release stress and get your mind right. Plan out your day, week, or even month as you sweat out any bad emotions and feelings. Also, learn to make good food choices. Good food nourishes you and gives you the energy you need to be strong all day and help you stay in an ideal weight range. Your weight will definitely affect your relationship and sex life. And lastly, read books and feed your mind with inspiration. Talk to friends, a therapist, or get honest with yourself consistently about the strong emotions you're dealing with. Don't keep them inside. Be the best man you can be, and only you know what that means. The third thing you should do is to check jealousy consistently. When you are with a beautiful woman, jealousy would definitely become an issue. I don't believe it is possible not to get jealous at all. You will deal with crazy thoughts about other guys and losing your love. Giving into jealousy is the fastest way to lose the woman you love. Jealousy is a huge turn-off to women, and it shows lack of confidence. Be in control of your jealousy. It will always be there, but there are things you can do to keep it in check. Lastly, communicate your feelings. At the end of the day, your relationship will grow or die based on its communication level. If you can't find a way to express some of the things going on inside, the bad feelings will win and you will push her away. Tell her what's important. Be honest and stay in control of your emotions as you talk. No outbursts, please. And finally, when you're in a relationship with a woman that ticks all of your boxes, it is a wonderful feeling. It's a special kind of love that can help or hurt you, and it's your actions that will determine what happens in everything you do. Don't forget, always put love first.